music scene is like, what, 25 people, 30 people who like regularly attend, and you like see them every single show. And like those people we've become really good friends with. We also see a bunch of people that we don't know, especially like recently, because of like all the incoming freshmen and people who are just coming out to house shows recently, and like or like a new member of like the community. It's really cool to see those people, meet them, and then see them again at another show and be like, hey, like I'm so glad you are becoming part of the scene. You know, like that's really what it's all about for me.
I love it when the crowd moshes.
Yeah.
I feel real good when they do. It's a real privilege to have an audience that's really fun. Like a lot of people make art and never find an audience.
They know us through our music, and like, you know, it's pretty neat.